In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end, you'll have Asana connected to your HubSpot account and ready to use. Before you start, make sure you're logged into HubSpot with an account that has the right permissions to install apps, and that you also have access to the Asana workspace you want to connect. Once you're in your HubSpot dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the marketplace icon. Depending on your version or theme, it may look like a small grid or shopping bag. Go ahead and click that marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps all of the approved apps and integrations you can connect to your portal. When the menu opens, choose HubSpot Marketplace. This will take you to the main apps directory. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top and a list of featured integrations below. To quickly find Asana, click into the search bar and type Asana. Give it a second to load the results. You should now see Asana listed as one of the options. Click on the Asana app listing to open its details page. On this page, you can review what the integration does, what data it can access, and any permissions it needs. It's a good idea to skim this information so you understand how your tools will work together. Next, on the Asana app page, look for the Install button. Click Install to begin the integration process. HubSpot will now start guiding you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are important because they handle the connection between your HubSpot account and your Asana workspace. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll typically be asked to confirm which HubSpot account you're installing into. Then you may be redirected to Asana to sign in or confirm access. If prompted, choose the correct Asana workspace or organization so tasks sync to the right place. Approve the requested permissions so the two platforms can share information securely. Continue clicking through each prompt until you reach a confirmation message indicating that the installation is complete. Once it's done, you can return to HubSpot and explore the new Asana options, such as creating tasks from contacts or deals, or reviewing task information directly inside HubSpot. That's all you need to do to integrate Asana with HubSpot. Follow these steps, and your teams will be able to move more smoothly between managing relationships in HubSpot and tracking work in Asana.